In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add currency in Xero. Adding currencies in Xero is an essential task for businesses that interact with international markets, as it enables you to handle various foreign payments and pricing effectively. Whether you're a newcomer to Xero or someone looking for a bit of guidance on this feature, you're in the right place. Let's start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the top bar, where you'll see your company name on the right-hand side. Now, this is an important area because when you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you want to navigate to the settings. The settings area is crucial as it allows you to manage various aspects of your account, including your organizational settings and, importantly, the currencies you work with. Now that you're in the Settings tab, you'll find an option marked Currencies. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a dedicated page for managing the currencies being used in your account. Here, you will notice a section titled Add Currency. Go ahead and click on this option. This is your gateway to selecting the currency that aligns with your business requirements. Once you click Add Currency, a drop-down menu will display a comprehensive list of available currencies. Don't rush through this list. Take your time to scroll through and carefully select the currency you wish to add. Whether it's euros, yen, pounds, or any other currency relevant to the geographical areas your business connects with, it's crucial to choose wisely. After you've made your choice, confirm it by clicking Add Currency. It's important to note that this action is final. Keep in mind that Xero currently does not allow for the deletion of a currency once it has been added to your list. This means you should be very certain about the currency you're setting up. Double-check your selection and ensure that it truly matches your business's needs before finalizing, as these changes are irreversible. So, to recap, we started by logging into Xero, navigating to the Settings area by clicking on your company name, selecting the Currencies option, and then we seamlessly added a new currency. This simple yet significant process opens up the opportunity for multi-currency transactions within your Xero account, allowing your business to operate smoothly across international borders. And there you have it. You've successfully added a currency to your Xero account. This small but mighty step can greatly enhance your accounting capabilities, especially if your business is involved in international dealings. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit.